Alright, we are coming to the Schindler 3300 MRL traction elevator at the Mercedes Dealership Parking Garage in Sugar Land, Texas. It has been ages since I've seen this thing, since fall of 2016. Sadly, I lost reception from Brennan, so I decided I'll do a separate video myself. So Brennan, also known as Elevator Nut 13, happy birthday. I hope you have a great day. This video is for you. Let's ride. Here we go. And it's a Schindler 3300 from 2014. I'm gonna go to 3. As we all know, 5 and 4 are locked off. See? Let's go outside and ring the bell. Let's wait for the door to shut for a bit. Alright, let's go on to 1. Here's your cab view of this. It's nice for a modern elevator, not too generic to me, although it's indeed new. Let's go outside, ring the bell, and we'll take it for another ride. So look at this. You have to wait for the door to shut in order to see. If you press the button, if you press the button while the door is open, it's not gonna chime. You have to wait till the door is closed. Anyway, we'll take it for one more ride, and that'll be it. My battery's gonna be going down here in a moment. And this time, watch the button go out and the door open. We're at 3. Alright, we'll go back down to 1 in the video there. Buttons are hard to press. Here we are at 1. They're your fixtures, FIGL 100 fixtures. The door opens. And the shaft light is still on. You see right there. You see right there, that right there? That right there is the MRL traction motor right there. See that right there? That's your drive system. You can see the belts right there. And there it goes. And with that said, that was a 2018 take on the Schindler 3300 elevator at Mercedes Parking Garage. Brandon, I hope you have a happy birthday. This video is for you. Thank you so much for watching, and that'll be it.
Hey Jim, thank you for featuring me in that video. Have fun, thanks for the birthday wishes, and I'll talk to you soon.